Hello beautifuls, welcome to your channel, Glam Girl. Creating a flaxseed face mask at home is possible. Here's a simple guide in points. Ingredients: mix 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds with water to form a gel-like consistency. Preparation: combine the ground flax seeds with water and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens. Application: apply the flaxseed gel evenly on your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax, leave the mask on for around 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse, gently rinse off the mask with warm water. Moisturize, follow up with your regular moisturizer. Using a flaxseed face mask may have potential benefits for your skin. Hydration: flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help moisturize and hydrate the skin. Anti-inflammatory: the anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds may assist in calming irritated skin. Smoothness: the mask may contribute to smoother skin due to its hydrating and nourishing effects. Antioxidants: flax seeds contain antioxidants that can combat free radicals, potentially reducing signs of aging. For a flaxseed face mask, it's generally recommended to use it 1 to 2 times a week. Overuse may lead to skin irritation or other adverse reactions. Pay attention to how your skin responds and adjust the frequency accordingly. Always perform a patch test before using any new skincare product to ensure you don't have an adverse reaction. You have specific skin concerns or conditions. Consulting with a dermatologist is advisable for personalized guidance. Please subscribe.